So guys, before we start, make sure that you have all your important files backed up to an external drive, because we're going to wipe all the files from your computer and reinstall Windows. So if you're ready, then for the first step, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on reset PC. And now this will come up. We have two options. If you did not back up your personal files, then you want to click on keep my files. If you did back up everything, which I recommend, then we're going to go with remove everything. No matter what option that you go with, I still recommend backing up your files. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with remove everything. Wait for this to load. We now have two options to reinstall Windows, a cloud download and a local reinstall. A cloud download will download the latest Windows version from the internet. It uses more data, but it's going to give a fresh and updated install. A local reinstall uses files already on your computer. It's going to be faster and you don't need an internet connection, but it might reinstall the same Windows version that you're currently on. So if you're not on the latest Windows version currently right now, it's going to install that same version most likely. I'm just going to go with a local reinstall. It's now going to be showing your current settings. So as of right now, it's going to remove apps and files and it's not going to clear my drive. And it's going to reinstall Windows from my device. If you want to change this, you want to click on change settings. So again, these are the options that I have right now. If I click on yes, the option is going to change. So now it's going to clear my whole drive. This may take hours, but will make it harder to recover files. And if I select yes on download Windows, it's going to be saying it's going to download and reinstall Windows, which is going to be the cloud download from earlier. I want to stick with the local download of Windows, so I'm going to click on no. But I'm actually going to select yes on this clean data option because I want to clean my whole drive. So now once you're happy with these options, you want to click on confirm. You can now see your current settings right here again. If you're fine with this, you want to click on next. Wait for this to load. It's now going to tell you what's going to happen when you reset your computer, and there may be some additional notes right here. So if you're fine with all this, you want to click on reset. It's now going to reset your computer. That's how you do it.